Welcome po sa aking vlog. I'm starting a series of videos din in Tagalog or Filipino para po makatulong sa ating Filipino community, not just in Singapore but even siyempre sa Philippines and in other countries. As we all know, ang mental health po ay napakalaking issue din amongst Filipinos dahil unang-una ko lang po tayo sa resources and siyempre may mga unique challenges din po tayo as a community pagdating sa mental health. Lalo na po sa ating mga beliefs and also our cultural practices and our norms na I think maganda rin na mag-address sa area na to para po makatulong sa ating mga kababayan. In the earlier videos, I shared kung ano po yung kahulugan ng mental health and I think marami tayong nababasa online. And many good resources are available right now. Pero maganda rin na alamin natin, in the area of mental health, ano po ba yung talagang magandang kahulugan na pwede nating panghawakan. And syempre, gusto ko pong i-share yung definition ng World Health Organization kung ano po ba ang mental health. Una po is yung kakayahan po natin to realize our abilities. And isa sa mga bagay na pwede nating maging indication na maganda ang mental health natin as individuals and even as a community is in this area. Maganda po na i-grow talaga natin, na maabot natin ano yung kakayahan natin. And syempre may mga factors kung bakit hindi nangyayari yan. One is knowledge or learning, kaya importante po ang education talaga and training, more training, skills training and of course, specialized trainings. Pangalawa is resources. Nakakalungkot kasi even in the Philippines, lalo na po sa mga probinsya, kulang na kulang talaga sa resources. So, let's tap, the internet ngayon, with all these available resources na pwede nating at least makatulong man lang po in the area of education sa mental health. Pangatlo is in the area po of motivation. Kasi pwede naman na may alam, may kakayahan, pero motivation pala ang issue. So, it's also an indication na there could be mental health concern. So, I hope na we can really work together as a community to realize our abilities individually and collectively. Pangalawa po is the area of being able to cope with stress. Alam niyo po, ang stress ay bahagi na talaga ng buhay. Hindi lang po ito yung nakakapagpahinga, nakakatulog, but really, yung managing po yung mga iba-ibang challenges na pinagdadaanan natin. Kasi kapag hindi po natin nagagawa yon, it will really have an impact sa ating mental health. So, I hope na we can really work on, coping with stress, as a community, para po hindi tayo makadagdag sa mga issues, within the family and even as a global community. And third is the ability to work productively and fruitfully. Ibig kong sabihin nito is meron tayong kakayahan to support ourselves kasi nagagawa po natin yung mga bagay na pwede nating tulungan yung sarili natin to earn an income, nakaka-hold tayo ng trabaho, hindi tayo palipat-lipat, or, kaya natin talaga na magstay or magkaroon ng productive income. Kasi hindi po pwede na reliant tayo sa mga welfares or even sa mga government support, although importante rin po yan. But one indication of a person with optimal mental health is nagagawa niya pong suportahin sarili niya. And then last is in the area of being able to contribute to the community. Siyempre po, hindi lang tayo pwedeng sarili natin ang tinitingnan natin. Maganda po na nag-aspire tayo to achieve things, to be, maging successful. Maganda po lahat yan. I really, really encourage that. And when you're able to support din yung mga kapwa nating Pilipino or even other communities, basically it's really contributing to the community, and that can go in the area of perhaps in your church community, in your barangay levels, or even sa mga communities abroad. And this does not mean na pwede lang sa Pinoy, pwede rin tayong tumulong sa mga ibang pangangailangan sa ngayon, lalo na po ang dami-daming needs. So, these are the 4 areas na pwede po nating tutukan as Filipino community. Realize your abilities, be able to cope with stress, at magkaroon po ng productive income, work productively and fruitfully, and last is to be able to support and help the community. Maraming pong salamat.